Welcome back guys, and now we are going to learn about freeform gradients. As you can see that I have a very nice gradient over here. Let me zoom out a little, and basically I made a clipping mask out of it. So I will click on it, then right click and release clipping mask. So this was the original gradient. Let me delete this text. So how did I make this gradient? If I go to the gradient panel over here and if I click on it, you will see that I have selected this third option. We have already used the linear gradient, the radial one, and this one is called freeform gradient. So what is a freeform gradient basically? Let me delete this and we can make it from the start. So first I will create a shape over here. I will create a rectangle like so. Then I will select the freeform gradient. So it has automatically created a gradient for me. So what is happening over here? Basically there are points which you can control. You can even move them in or out and also change the colors. Basically this is a freeform gradient. So I can double click on it, select a color, and just like that I have a color over here. Let's select one over here, a yellow one maybe. Over here I will select something green maybe, or maybe blue. And over here let's make it purple. And you can simply click on one of them and drag them like this to create a freeform gradient. You can adjust them whatever way you like. If you want to delete a point, you can simply select it and press delete key on the keyboard and it will be deleted. Or you can click anywhere and the point has been placed and you can change its color. There is one more thing you can do. Instead of placing points, you can place lines. So I will click on the line over here, lines. You will click once and you will get this pen tool kind of thing. You can click anywhere and place it like this, and now you can bend it. So I have this bendy kind of gradient over here. To be honest, we don't use it very often, but it is there if you need it. So I will select the gradient tool again and let me just undo all of this. I guess this is all right. So I will bring my text over here. Always make sure that it is at the front if you want to make a clipping mask. So I will bring it over here. I will select this and this, right click, make clipping mask, and I have this beautiful gradient on this text over here. Simple. I hope this was easy for you guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.